Time to get to work. Alright, it is 7:35. I am pulling into the shop. It is a Friday. You know it's gonna be a good day on Friday. Good morning. A what? Don't talk to me before I have my C4. Oh yeah, baby. Right there. Square, we got 180 views on our YouTube video already, so we're basically superstars. All right, let's go ahead and put the tires on these and we'll back it in here and put them on. I want to get those fender logos on there too. We got some white wall tires here. Look at that, one box for you, one box for me. Oh man, them are blue walls, man. They messed us up. Them doggone blue walls. See, people didn't know we were a tire shop too. We do it all, TMG.
I get a little lubrication on.
Need some lubrication on that? You think Square do a little cleanup first? I would tell the people, oh man, the shop's a real mess right now, but it's always a mess. It's always a mess around here. We're messy.
Well, we have more room.
More room. If any of the viewers want to donate some more room to TMG,
absolutely,
we will take it. We will absolutely take it. Yep. All right, can't make this up. Just hopping in the truck to go over there and take the trash out. Nothing. Fantastic. All right, so old truck won't start, so we're gonna push her out of the way and get back to life. Maybe I'll walk home today, I don't know. I could drop the Bobcat home. Take me a while, but we'd get her done. Dodge let us down. We got the Toyota fired up.
Hey,
taking out the trash, baby.
Nothing more reliable.
Got AC, a sunroof. Look at that, man. Hold on, boy. Woo! Taking out the trash.
You ain't taking out no trash.
I'll get this right here.
Oh.
I got this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing with my feeders?
Oh, was that your whooping stick for JD whenever he don't listen to you? I don't know, if they had to work with JD, they'd probably understand.
Yeah.
You know? God, that's definitely not what you need. You will literally be wrecked in 30 minutes. You'd be wrecked.
Yeah. Really?
You'd be calling me, hey, man, you come over here and get me off the side of the road, man. Steel's here. Steel's here, JD.
I can't breathe.
Oh, yeah. She's a little rough.
Good. Go up. All right, go up. Go up. Clear. It's that time.
D4, baby. All right. Wonder why I can't ever find the right size wrench. All right, so here's my contraption I've come up with to hold these propane orifices. So slides up in here like so, and then I've got these slotted holes, so I'll put 2 screws per hole. That way I can adjust it in and out, because that will change how the flame comes out of here. This one right here is my man Chris, Lone Mountain Barbecue in California. Cheers, buddy.
Never free base, don't count. But I don't know.
Oh, shoot. I guess it helps when you actually tighten up all the pieces.
You want me to start using those small ones?
The black screws? Yeah, use the small ones.
Hey, go a little smaller. Well, I'm not gonna screw it.
No trim on the edge.
Hey, Jay. Yeah. Remember? We took them all back out? Yeah, yeah, there's no trim. They're all screwed there. I thought I went back to the screws.
JD, can you give us a review on the Flat Top King breakfast burrito?
Bussin'.
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 It is bussin'.
Bussin'.
I'm gonna get my man set up here with a griddle.
Who built this?
JD, unfortunately. I'm just joshing you, buddy. You did an all right job, you know.
Hey, we're gonna leave the plastic on up here.
Negatory. What y'all doing?
What do you think about it, buddy?
Looks like a TMG Pitch logo on a custom fabricated tandem fender. You know what I'm saying? Move out of the way, boy. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'd go with that. What do you think, JD?
Yeah,
Just kidding, we don't care. All right, so it is about 3:30 Friday afternoon, and still working on this bad boy. I've got a lot of the trailer wiring for the trailer lights done. I still got a couple marker lights to put in. I'm working on my front toolbox now. I've got my brake box mount. I'm about to mount my junction box in here. And then there's a lot going on in this bad boy. But I'm gonna get all that run. We'll hook a truck up to this, test it, make sure all the lights work, and then I'll go back and heat shrink everything, tie it all up, make sure it's all done. Got our white walls on with the paint match wheels and the TMG Pits logo. So these have a blue protective coating on them. So at the very end when we're done, we'll go back, wipe that coating off, be good there. Got our burners all in and tested, they all work good. Got our fryer hooked up, tested, it works. I'm holding off on the sink that we're gonna use this this trailer for an event tomorrow. And I wanna get all the necessary stuff done. So the sink's not necessary, so I'm gonna hold off on it. JD is working on the butcher block tops right now. He's kind of trimmed them to fit. We got the smoker all wrapped up. Fridge 60 there, looking sharp. Check on JD. What are you doing, JD?
Hating life.
Oh, cool. Anyways, she's coming along though. She is coming along. This is basically how everything ends up here. Like how there's a whole bunch hanging out, but there's no ends. Where's the ends at? There's one. Basically any wires we got hanging outside of the trailer are either going to be loomed up, or it'll be this solid coated wire we use. So it's like there's our 4-wire right there, and then it's got a thick rubber coating around the outside of it. That way if it does ever rub up against anything, it ain't gonna rub through a wire. What? Hey, when are you leaving? Are you, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
I was gonna unload this. I got 15 more minutes of watching this of how to actually.
Okay. Because I need your truck to test these lights, make sure they all work. Which I'll be done in just a second.
Unload this.
Unload what? Oh, your butcher block? And it probably needs to go in the...
Over there.
Yeah, over there. We are ready to test the trailer lights out. One marker light not working. License plate light. Huh. Why is that? All right, so as y'all seen earlier, my doggone truck wouldn't start. So drove here this morning, parked it, went in the shop, got a little work done, came back out to move a trailer with it, and nothing. I'm pretty sure it is the clutch safety switch, which basically will make it to where you have to push the clutch in to start the truck. So what I think I'm gonna be able to do is I'm gonna crawl into there, unplug it, and plug this little splice into or jumper into the connector to basically fool it to think the clutch is pushed in, and then see if it starts. Then good deal, I'll order a new safety switch. If not, I'll have to go on to the next thing. But since Brandon's left now, I really need to back this down to this trailer and test the lights again now that I've fixed them. So see what we can do. Somewhere up in there. I guess I should just see if it fixes itself first. You never know, sometimes they just fix themselves. Okay. As I was saying, sometimes they fix themselves. So being that that worked, I'm going to assume it probably is the clutch safety switch. So I'm gonna keep this wire in here, and that way, if it happens again, I will jump that and it should work, hopefully. Hopefully I'm not calling Brandon here in 30 minutes to come get me. The shop is an absolute wreck, and we got freaking metal everywhere. We actually have a new guy coming in on Monday, so it's gonna be kind of a part-time help guy because we're trying to stay ahead of the curve here. So I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. I gotta prep some stuff for him. It's gonna be a busy week next week. It's been a busy week this week, but I want to I just realized as I was plugging that light back in, trying to figure out why it wasn't working, I never actually tightened all my connections in here. So I'm gonna do that first, get them all tight, and then try it again. I bet it all works just fine. It started up. All right, let's test these trailer lights again here. All right, so we got marker, tail light, and blinker. So if the brake light or the blinker light works, then the vice versa will work on these deals. Tail light or license plate light, tail light, blinker, marker. So that marker will go right here. Marker. So the reason why this one wasn't working earlier is just because where I didn't have everything tightened down in there, it wasn't getting a good connection, because the front two markers actually run off their own strand. These middle markers run off their own strand. Everything's kind of set up individually, so if one thing fails, everything doesn't fail. They'll just fail individual. So that all works. I'll go back, heat shrink everything, tie it all up, clean it up, get everything snapped into place. I've got to clean the white walls off, and then kind of just do a quick clean off, and she'll be ready to roll. All right, guys, it is about 7:30 Friday evening, and I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I got all the wiring on the trailer wrapped up here. Wiring for the trailer lights as far as that goes. Still have to finish wiring in these bad boys. I gotta put the battery in there, battery tender. So still a lot of work on this thing, but it is usable for our event tomorrow. So we're gonna be mainly using the live fire table. I know we're gonna be doing 2 whole hogs on this bad boy and a couple gators, because hey, Tennessee versus Florida gators. Hey, let me tell you something, we're smoking some gators. You know what I'm saying? So Brandon and Kellen put together a couple of these crosses, what we call them, and basically they use this base here. They're adjustable for the angle, so that's what we will hold the whole hogs on to cook them. Probably fire the smoker up. I know we got Flat Top King coming, and he is going to cook us up some lunch on the griddle top here, propane burner. May fire the fryer up, do some fries. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna cut out. I will be back early tomorrow morning. Trailer's really dirty. I'll go and clean it up. Brandon's gonna meet me here. We're gonna get all the stuff loaded up and head over to Yeehaw. So pretty excited about that. It's gonna be a good time. So I will see y'all tomorrow. TMG out.